So Ash painted, I cooked, Sanjay danced, and now we step outside and see what everyone else is doing. Craigy T, it's your turn.
Yeah, maximum respect. Blessings everybody. I hope everybody keeping safe. This is Craigy T. Ribbit the Bumps King and all of them things. I don't know them things. They already always say that stuff. I don't know that stuff. But like, you know, since this whole lockdown thing kind of forced me to get a little deeper into my mind, you know what I mean? This whole quarantine thing kind of pushed me towards things a little bit more, with more depth. You know, I don't want to say spiritual, but it's a little bit more natural, you know what I mean? So, I mean, other than keeping safe, which of course we all have to do, everybody have to stay at home, everybody have to be quarantined, yeah, we understand that. Everybody also have to be wearing them masks, washing them hands thoroughly, sanitizing, like all of these things, we know these things. However, you know, there are things we would like, you know, to explore, whereas it relates to keeping your sanity. You know what I mean? Because not everybody can stay in one place for so long. So there are things where you have to do to keep yourself active and keep yourself busy. Me in my studio now still, and but I expect me to play music. I might play a little bit still. Let me give a little touch. I'm showing a little bit of what I might not expect, you know? So we'll get our hands dirty to this still, so we're going out dirt a little bit, so. Yep. Leaf them look like hibiscus. So this look like hibiscus now. I just eat it with I think it's a hibiscus, but it's a more version. What's been working for me is being in my garden. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and it's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Channel up on TV, don't copy that.